several days. All right, so it all starts with a big ridge in high pressure, and that's going to be building across the country. But trapped underneath that is going to be a little bit of moisture that we see down to the south and in boundaries. That's why we're going to see so much above average when it comes to these readings across parts of the north. Temperatures going 10, 15 degrees above average. It's not that it's going to be record-breaking, but it's going to be hot for a long time, actually. So one of the reasons why we actually get to heat up so much right up here is that our dew points are going to be lower. It's that dry heat, so to speak. Not quite Arizona dry heat, but dew points only in the 60s compared to dew points down in Florida along the Panhandle that are going to be in the 70s. Air that's a little more dry has the opportunity to heat up and cool down, actually more than air that has higher moisture content. That air temperature won't change as much. All right, so we've got that. Then another factor, the clouds and the storms that are in the forecast. We're going to see that along the Gulf Coast for days, and we're not going to see it actually up here across portions of the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. We see more sunshine, so that's going to allow that insulation to reach down to the ground, heat it up, and allow those temperatures to rise 10 to 15 degrees above average. All right, this takes us in through the holiday weekend into next week. So now we're talking Monday, and we're still looking at temperatures above average, 10 to 15 degrees. You know, it's not going to be record-breaking. To be record-breaking, you've got to see those readings getting up there 20, 25, 30 degrees above average. But it is going to be a long stretch of temperatures that are warmer than we're used to here. Places like Chicago, I mean, we're looking at a 2-week stretch where we can see temperatures hitting 90 plus. That would be record shattering of our old record set back in the 1950s. It was 11 days of 90 plus. We could have 14. Jacksonville, not that it's going to be cool by any stretch, but the numbers are going to be cooler than Chicago, only in the upper 80s, say only. The thing is here, we're going to have the clouds, we're going to have the thunderstorms, and we are also going to have those higher dew points in Jacksonville. Reynolds?
Okay, now
on this Thursday morning, I'm meteorologist Stephanie Abrams alongside meteorologist Jen Carfagno and Reynolds Wolf. As we count down the days to the 4th of July, it's the eve of the 4th of July, and we have everything you need to know to keep your family safe. Did that process? Is it still early? The eve of the 4th of July. Unfortunately, you're going to have to keep your eye out for a danger that's not always obvious with scattered storms. And Jen, we've seen a lot of this over the last few days.
And we have video actually to show you how it could look. And